I will need a translation from Francis. So good afternoon to you, my dear brothers and sisters in Christ.
I
wish you a blessed and a happy harvest festival. On this occasion, it is good for all of us to gather here today in bonding, in fellowship, and also in solidarity. That is to be one. I hope that you would not be only be in solidarity today, but forever. Because as the saying goes, together, united we stand, and disunited we will fall. I also take today this opportunity to wish all of you to be registered with UNHCR and to be settled at your country of your choice. I wish that all your dreams will come true through the grace of God. And may God bless all of you, all those who are here and also at home who are not able to attend here today. So may God bless you all. Amen. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. John. Appreciate for coming for this event.